Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the different lock code for the notes than the passcode on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So to set the different lock code for the notes than the passcode of your iPhone, you want to go to the settings, then swipe down and tap on notes. Once you're here, you want to go to the password, and here you have those two options. So use custom password or the device passcode. So let's say you have some private notes on your iPhone, but some people know your passcode, but you don't want these people to be able to see that note. So you want to use another custom password only for notes. So here in this section, you just want to click on the use custom password. Now you are going to be asked for your passcode of your iPhone, so type it, and then you can set a password to your notes only. It can be whatever. So the letters, the symbols, the numbers. I'm going to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Verify means just repeat it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can give a hint. So I'm going to give just a useful hint because this is only the test. So click done, and now you're going to be asked to update to custom passwords. Are you sure? So just click OK, and now your custom password is used to lock the notes. So now let's see how it works. So the moment before, I used the passcode to lock these two notes. So let's try to unlock it with the passcode. So this is my passcode, click OK. As you can see, now the note is unlocked because it was locked earlier with the passcode code and not the one that we have created the moment before. But let's now lock it and create a new note. So we are going to name it test2. And here just click the test, done, and now let's click lock it. So enter your locked notes password, not the passcode, but the locked notes password. So now type the one that we have set it, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without the 6, and now we can lock this note. So now let's try to open it with the passcode of our iPhone. As you can see, it is not working, but if you go to the notes that have been created earlier with the passcode option locking, we need to open the passcode for notes. As you can see, it is opened, and the same is going to be with the notes. Another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the passcode, okay. Now it is unlocked. But if we are going to try to unlock with the passcode the note that we have created after setting the different notes password, as you can see, we are not able to unlock it. But if you are going to type the password that we have set to lock the notes, now the note is going to be unlocked. So if you are going to set the different notes password then the passcode, it is only going to work for the notes that are going to be created after that action. To the notes that were created before that action, the passwords that was set earlier, so the passcode or the custom password for notes, is going to be working still, and you are not going to be able to open those notes that are locked, that were created before. with the custom passwords that you have created right now. So this is it. This is how you can create a custom password for notes on iPhone. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.